You opened an AI tool, asked it for something real, and watched it build software in front of you in about an hour. It worked. It felt like magic. And then, somewhere around the next morning, it broke. And every time you tried to fix it, something else fell over, until you were staring at an app you built that you couldn't fix and didn't really understand anymore. If you've lived that, you're in the right place, because that's not a freak accident, and it's not you being bad at this. That's a pattern. It has a shape, it has a name, and almost everyone who builds with AI hits it. So let me tell you what this whole course is going to do for you. We're going to name exactly what's happening to your builds, the failure modes one at a time, so you can see them coming instead of getting blindsided. We're going to show you why they happen, which is the part nobody tells you. And we're going to point you at the way out, the thing that actually holds. You came in stuck. You're going to leave knowing the diagnosis, the cause, and where to go next. That's the deal. And this first one, call it failure mode number 1, is the one that pulls everyone in. The hour of magic, then the crash. Let's walk through it, because I want you to recognize yourself in it. Here's how it starts, and it's the same story almost every time. You open the tool, you type what you want. Build me a dashboard. Build me a little app that does this one thing. And 3 minutes later, there are screens. Real-looking screens. Buttons that click. Things that move. Software appearing faster than you thought was possible. So you keep going. You add a feature, and it shows up. You add another, and there it is. You show somebody. You say out loud, this is going to work. You can already see version 2. You can already see how you'd ship it. That first hour is genuinely euphoric. And it should be, because something real just happened. The speed is not a lie. The tool is not a trick. That part is true. Then comes the next morning. And the next morning is a different story. Something breaks. No big deal. You go back to the AI. You tell it what's wrong. It gives you a fix. The fix works. The original problem is gone. But now something that worked yesterday doesn't. So you fix that. And fixing that breaks a third thing. You're only a couple hours in, and you can already feel the magic tilting. The screens that felt solid yesterday feel fragile today. The app didn't get smaller, but your confidence in it did. And then a week goes by, and this is where most people quit. They walk away, sure they did something wrong, or sure the AI just isn't good enough yet. Both of those conclusions are wrong. The AI didn't fail you. The approach failed you. And it was always going to, because of what was underneath it. Or really, what wasn't. So let me name the actual problem, because this is the part that matters. The screens looked real because they were real screens. But underneath them, there was no system. It was a pile of generated code with nothing holding it together. No memory of what you decided yesterday. No structure, nothing checking that the new change didn't break the old one. And the very first time something needed to shift, the pile shifted with it, and down it came. Here's the line I want you to keep. A screen is not a system. A demo is not an app. Speed is not durability. The tool gave you speed on day one. What it never gave you, because you never built it, was the thing that makes software survive past day one. And I need you to hear the part underneath that, because it's the whole spirit of this course. This was never your fault. You are not bad at AI coding. You're early in it. The way you were building was never designed to hold up. Nobody handed you the system that makes it hold. So of course it didn't. It's not you, and it's not the AI. It's the missing structure between the two of you. That's a fixable problem. That's the best news in this entire course. So if you've lived this exact arc, the magic, then the crash, good. You've got the most common starting condition there is. Almost everyone hits this same wall. You just got here, and now you know the first failure mode by name. Next, we name the loop you fall into right after the crash, the one where every fix breaks something else, and you start to feel like you're playing whack-a-mole with your own app. It's failure mode number 2, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. I'll meet you there.